Hiring the most expensive thumbnail designer won't work, optimizing your title and description either. We've all been chasing the mysterious world of the YouTube algorithm, hoping to catch that magical boost in views. Well, guess what? We have studied the subject thoroughly, watched dozens, maybe hundreds of videos on the topic. We have advice from YouTube experts like this channel we love, vidIQ. Here is what we have found in. Stick around because we're about to spill the beans. Why are you currently on YouTube? This fundamental question holds the answer to understanding your audience. Are you here to follow your favorite content creator, or did you open YouTube without a specific video in mind and find yourself here? Perhaps you're searching for a specific answer to a pressing question. Regardless of your response, it ultimately comes down to the intention behind your viewership. 1. Should we bury YouTube search? YouTube search has been the holy grail of driving traffic. Viewers intentionally type their desires into the search bar, seeking the desired outcome. Over the last 10 years, YouTube search has contributed to billions of views on different channels. Impressive, right? But here's the plot twist. For successful Faceless channel creators, search traffic is no longer a top priority. After the studies we made, we found out that in the past year, there are more views coming from the browse than views from search. And by more, we're talking about twice as many views. So you need to shift your focus from winning the search page click to capturing attention on the homepage. Now you might wonder, why would we abandon our biggest traffic source? Well, YouTube analytics told us to. Since the peak of the COVID lockdown, search traffic on YouTube channels has been on a decline, and we all have to adapt. It may take us some time to figure out this new strategy, but that's what needs to be done. 2. Start by giving the viewer what they want and then giving them what they actually need. Sounds obvious, right? Let me break it down for you. You might be wondering, why would 2 videos on the same topic from the same Faceless channel have wildly different view counts? Well, it's all about how you pitch it, the video title, the thumbnail, and the first 10 seconds of the video. In each one, you have to seek our audience's desires. And for that, you must know what they subconsciously crave, and when they stumble upon it, they can't resist clicking. Now, let's talk about thumbnails. A captivating thumbnail is like a trailer of your video's awesomeness. It should tease and entice the viewer to click. Believe me, it's not about making the most sophisticated thumbnail. Look at this channel called Beluga, a messy, minimalistic design a toddler can easily make. None holds the secret recipe for a great thumbnail. So, all YouTube automation creators are left with experimenting until it works. Oh, and don't forget the first 10 seconds of your video. That's another great opportunity to hook the viewer and keep them watching your video. Speak in a dynamic way, be intriguing, and make it clear that you're about to give them what they desire. What's next? 3. Make friends with the algorithm. We all want to crack its code, right? When we did our research, we were swamped with tons of information out there on YouTube and the internet in general. But hey, we've done the hard work so you don't have to. Consider it our way of saving you from drowning in the sea of endless data. So let's sum it all up and create an actionable plan for our channels. Imagine your viewer's current state and then envision where you want to take them. It starts by identifying their ultimate goal, their basic desire. Whether it's passing a course or losing weight, tap into that desire. Now, armed with this knowledge, craft a title that's irresistibly intriguing and curious. Make it so compelling that viewers can't resist clicking to resolve the mystery. This is where the magic happens. And there you have it, YouTubeator.